What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're creating a cartoon illustration of Snoop Dogg. Let's begin today's lesson along the top of our page with a straight line going across the top of the glasses. So we'll start on the left. Go straight across towards the right. Now on the ends, we're going to draw a straight line coming down towards the bottom. Let's angle this down and in, coming in towards the side of the nose. From the inside, angle this up and in, and then round out the bottom. Now I'm going to go back and trace the glasses along the inside. So we'll start back at the top. You want to leave an even space gap all the way around. Let's go back up to the top corners, draw a straight line going out, straight down, and then back in. Now in between, we're going to add a curve for the nose. We're going to come down and then up. Let's move down. We're going to shift the mouth up on the right side. So we come down, pull this up a little bit higher on the right side, step down, add a small curve for the lower lip. From the corners of the mouth, draw a straight line coming down towards the chin, and then we'll round out the bottom. Let's move up underneath the nose. We're going to curve this out and then down towards the side. Draw a straight line coming down towards the chin, round out the bottom, and then go back up. Now let's fill the inside of the mustache in black. Now in the center, I'm just going to pull this up and in towards a point, towards the lower lip, and we'll fill that area in black. Now let's move back up towards the side. We're going to curve the head coming down, and then bend that in towards the side of the beard. Let's add in the ears. On the left, curve this out, around, and then in. Along the top, we're going to add a fold, going up and out. Go back to the inside and add a hook. Now, we're going to go up to the top, just going to curve the edge of the hairline, coming in and then up towards the top. Let's close out the top with a curve going up the middle, and then we'll bring that back down. Now, just up above the glasses, we're going to shift the eyebrows. So on the left side, we're going to raise this higher. Go up and then down. Go back to the outside and go high in the middle and then back down. Let's fill the eyebrow in black. Let's move over towards the right. We're going to lower this one, starting from the edge of the glasses, going up and then out. Go back to the inside, go higher in the middle, and then we'll fill the inside. Let's go back to the side of the cheeks. We're going to add a fold, coming in and then down. Now we're going to go up to the center of the head, draw a straight line going up to separate the hair. From here we're going to go out and up, and then come down towards the corner of the head. Now we're going to add those braids going across the side of the head. Let's start on the left. We're going to go out, bend that back in. Let's do that one more time. On the side, going out and then in on top of the glasses. Now from here we're going to draw in the braids. Let's start from the top and go up and then come straight down. Let's bend this in and up towards the side of the head. Now from this point we're going to come down and then out towards the bottom. Go back up along the side, going out and then back in. Now we want to continue down towards the bottom of the braid. We're going to go a little bit smaller. So as we come down, I'm just going to go out and just tuck that up underneath. add another one. You see that as we come down, we go a little bit smaller. Let's add a couple more on either side. And one small one. Now I want to draw the inside of the braid. So let's start from the side of the head, bend this down and in, step out, come down and in. I'm just going to layer this coming in towards the edge of that curve. Along the bottom, we draw 2 circles on either side of that point. And we'll draw the tip of the braid, going around the left, and then the right coming down towards a point. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw the inside edge of the shirt. We're going to start on the side of the beard, draw 2 straight lines coming all the way down towards the bottom. From the bottom, bend this out and then up towards the side of the body. And we're just going to go straight up towards the top. Let's go all the way back up to the top and draw the collar, coming down and out. And then go straight up underneath the head. Let's add a chain across the top. We're going to start with a curve, step down, draw it again. And then from the bottom of the shirt, we're going to step up and add another curve. Now over on the left side, we're going to draw a few buttons. 1 circle on the top, 1 on the bottom, and then 1 in between. Now from the center of the body, step down, add a curve, go across, leave a gap in the center, go left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and then down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now I want to round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start with the left side. Coming down and up. And then from the outside of the foot, we're going to curve this up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel, curl that back up towards the inside of the leg. Now let's go back up underneath the shirt and curve the leg, going out and down on top of the feet. Now on the side of the body, let's draw the inside edge of the arms. We're going to bend this out and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Now I want to add 3 fingers on either side. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, we come down and up around that bracket. Add the second finger, and then the third finger and go up and in underneath the head. Now we're going to separate the sleeves, starting from the top of the thumb, and we'll add a thick sole across the bottom of the feet. So we'll take this curve, step up, and trace that across. And we're also going to add a toe cap. Now let's sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Snoop Dogg. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one.